1 divided by 2 can be written as 1 over 2. And 4 times 1 over 2 is the same as 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. So 2 divided by this, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 division. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 divided by 2. Can be written as 1 over 2. So 2 divided by 4 times 1 over 2. Now we have 1 division and 1 multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 2 divided by 4 can be written as 2 over 4. Then times 1 over 2. Okay? Now we have 2 over 4 times 1 over 2. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2, so we have just 1 over 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 4.